Hi, Mary. I guess we've had a little bit of bad luck. I know you weren't there when we went over some of this stuff in class, so I'm going to start from the very beginning. Here we are at the OCC website at www.sunyocc.edu. And from there, and I'm sure you probably already know this stuff, but I'll just go through it anyway. I am a current student. And click on Blackboard. And that'll take you to Blackboard after you've logged in. Okay, I guess I was already logged in, so it didn't ask me to log in. And you'll see your classes listed there. Here's ours, 203-304, section 304. Click on that, and that will take you to the course announcements. And let me get in the student mode here. Here we go. There's the current course announcement right there. The study guide problem we did last time is now posted in the Chapter 3 folder. And anyway, there's our announcements. And from our announcements, you'll see over here a menu. Click on Virtual Classroom. That takes us where everything is, really. And you'll see this getting set up in Cengage MindTap. A little video there that introduces MindTap, which is what we use. And since you're going to be in the Box of Books program, you ignore anything that says get this and get that. Okay, this extra, subscribe here or there. Not necessary. Here's our link to MindTap. That's your entry into everything. The homework's there, the tests are going to be there, the textbook's there, the study guide's there. Okay, we'll come back to that in a minute. And I've got some other stuff. Here's an intro to economics, a little video on what economics is. Here's the syllabus. Special deal for students on the Wall Street Journal. Not required, but it's available. Some useful study skills video. Here's how to contact me in the course. And it's better to contact me in the course. It's much better to just keep everything in here. And MindTap customer support if you're having trouble. Now, I don't know, hopefully you called them. I noticed you're not registered. And the book rep has tried to get a hold of you as well. They're the ones really to talk to. I'm powerless to fix any of this stuff. But here's Chapter 3. Here's Chapter 4. So just going to Chapter 3, there's some lectures, extra help. Now in this extra help folder, I've got all the lectures I did on Chapter 3 in here. Here's the Germany and Poland study guide problem we did last time in class. Okay, so let's go back here and click on MindTap. That takes us. Now when you click on there, it's going to ask you to set up an account with Cengage. And you'll enter an email address. You just need to follow the instructions there and set up an account. And that will get you in here. Okay, this is what it'll look like. Now I recommend that you go here and click on Expand All, at least in the beginning. Okay, this is what's showing here. And you can expand each chapter. I would just, at least till you get used to it, expand all. That way you see everything. Now, I'm going to have to go in and extend your due dates, but I can't do that till you're registered. So as soon as you're registered, let me know. Then I can go in and extend your due dates. Now, you don't want to wait till Tuesday to do this. Time is very short. We're over, 2 weeks have gone by, and we've gone through 3 chapters. And we have a test a week from Thursday. So get started immediately and get back to the book rep if you need to, if you haven't figured it out. So she said I gave her your email address and she sent you an email. She's probably the best one to fix anything if it needs to be fixed. Okay. Anyway, you see this counts towards your grade. This is just Explore MindTap. It's a video. It introduces you to MindTap. Basically free points for going through that. How to do homework assignments. Again, counts to your grade. More free points. It just counts just to make sure you do it because you need to know that. And here's chapter 1. Here's a little, just a short video introducing chapter 1. And here is chapter 1. When you're done with chapter 1, scroll down. Here's the homework to chapter 1. You just pretty much just start at the top and work your way down. And here's the study guide. All right. So my advice on virtually all of them, when you're done reading the chapter, my first stop would be the study guide. It's a really good study guide. It does a great job. And then come up and do the homework. Okay, think of the homework, kind of like a homework / quiz. Here's chapter 2, little video intro. Here's the textbook, chapter 2. And this has a few more resources. You can use them if you want. Some graph builder problems that come out of the text. A little bit of work on graphs. Here's your homework problem. Video walkthroughs. These are little lessons on various things in the chapter. You can watch them if you want. And again, here's the study guide down here. After I read the chapter, I would come here to the study guide and then do the homework. Chapter 3. That's where we just finished chapter 3. Another video intro. Here's the text. And graph builder exercise. Now, even though it says points over here, that's kind of a glitch in MindTap. It does not count towards your grade. The only thing that counts towards your grade is if it has this little orange dot and says counts towards your grade. Here's the homework. And once again, we got video problem walkthrough and your study guide. Again, the best resource is your study guide. And that's where I did the Germany and Poland problem in class and finished it up in the extra help section of the chapter 3 folder there in Blackboard. And in class, we're going to start chapter 4. So here's the intro. Here's the text. Same thing. It's the same organization. More graph builder exercises or videos. They're there if you want them. Here's some little video lessons that are helpful. And keep on going. Bunch of little video lessons in there in this chapter. And then there's your homework. And looks like okay, there's the study guide, clear there at the bottom. So there's a lot of stuff in here, but it's basically a matter of just starting at the top and clicking your way down. But the first things you do are do these. Introduction to MindTap, so you know how it works. And then just start at the top, chapter 1. There's the textbook. There's the homework that counts towards your grade. But again, before you get there, I'd go to the study guide next. Chapter 2 is the same way. Has a few other resources, graph builder and video problem walkthroughs. There's chapter 3, chapter 2, chapter 3. And chapter 4 has even more resources, some actual lessons in there. So that are video lessons. Okay, so again, time is getting short. Get back with Shannon, who emailed you. She is, if you're having trouble getting into MindTap, when you click Let me get out of here. When you click on this, if it's not working, she needs to know about it. And it's working for everybody else in the class, though. So so I mean, I know it's working. Everyone else is pretty much registered as far as I can tell. So that's it. I'll send this to you now, and hopefully you can get started immediately. All right.